Welcome, in front of me I have Apple Watch SE 3 and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. So first we need to open the watch application on the iPhone that is paired with our Apple Watch. So let's tap on the icon to open the app. In the application we need to find the option called General and tap on it. And here we need to find the language and region. In the language and region menu, you will see a couple of options. You have Mirror My iPhone. So basically, if this option is selected, the watch will mirror the language from your iPhone that is paired with your watch. And Custom allows you to change the language to something else. You can have for example, English language on your iPhone and something else on your watch. And to change the language on your watch, you will see this list of preferred languages. First, you can add the language. Scroll through the list, find the language you would like to use. Tap on it, and then you have the option to change it immediately. You can use Italian immediately, or you can use the language that is already set at the moment, and then you can change it later on if you want to. Let's tap on Use Italian, and it will change to the Italian language, as you can see. And then now the language should be applied like this. And if you have more than one language right here on the list, to switch between them, you need to sort basically. You need to grab the language by the sorting button right next to it. And once you grab it, you can drag it to the top of the list, and whichever language is at the top of the list, it will be applied on your watch. And anytime now. Okay, and now it's set. If we go to settings, it should be applied. Okay, and that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.